Hey guys, how do you transfer WhatsApp from Samsung to iPhone? Welcome to iToolab. Subscribe to get more tips. Today, I will teach you how to transfer WhatsApp without using Move to iOS. Download iToolab WatsGo and choose WhatsApp Transfer. Then connect Samsung and iPhone to your computer. You need to allow USB debugging on your Android. You can choose your source and target device from the drop menu. And remember that an MDM locked device isn't supported here. Next, select the data type that you want to transfer. Messages are transferred by default. Enable 64-bit encrypted backup on your WhatsApp settings according to the guide. Remember to screenshot the 64-bit password to save. And set the backup to Google Drive Never, then back up your WhatsApp. iToolab WatsGo starts to obtain and generate WhatsApp data. Now, you need to enter 64-bit password to decrypt the backup. Just be patient and be careful with it. Soon, the program starts to transfer WhatsApp from Samsung to your iPhone. You will see WhatsApp has been transferred successfully now. Your iPhone will be rebooted. Open WhatsApp on your iPhone and all WhatsApp data have been moved completely. Thanks for watching and go to iToolab.com to explore news and tips.